Castosh provides high-quality and reliable sealing solutions to construction machinery, such as bulldozers, wheel loaders, excavators, backhoe loaders. The reference sealing configuration of a boom cylinder of an excavator includes the K29 Buffer Seal, prevents pressure build-up, low axial housing heights, protects the secondary seal from pressure peaks. The K501 Piston Seal, extremely high wear and extrusion resistance, long service life, is resistant to pressure peaks and extremely high abrasion resistant. And alternatively, the K19 Heavy Duty Piston Seal, high sliding speed, low friction free of stick slip, and resistant to peak pressures. Castosh Sealing Technologies.